Cohesion and adhesion in liquids. Cohesion and adhesion are properties that account for the attraction between a liquid's molecules. Cohesion refers to the attraction between molecules of the same type. For example, the attraction of water molecules to other water molecules. This cohesive force that causes the attraction between molecules of the same type helps the liquid to maintain its form. This force causes surface tension where water forms spherical droplets or allows its surface to support small objects. Adhesion, on the other hand, refers to the attraction between molecules of different types. For example, the attraction of water molecules to the surface of the container. This adhesive force causes capillary action, enabling water to climb upwards, against gravity, through thin glass tubes placed in a glass of water. The capillary action depends on the adhesive attraction between water molecules and the tube's glass walls, and on cohesive interactions between water molecules.